Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create customer-specific pricing and discounts on Shopify. So if you have some customers that should get a special price, or maybe you want to give a discount to only one group of customers, this is the kind of setup you need. This can be useful if you sell to regular buyers, repeat buyers, wholesale buyers, or special customers that you want to reward. Instead of giving the same price to everyone, you can set things up so the right customer sees the right price or gets the right discount. Now let's go through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. The first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify account. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, you will see all the main areas of your store, like products, customers, orders, discounts, and settings. This is where you control your store. Before you start creating special prices or discounts, make sure you know which customers you want to give the special deal to. For example, you may want to give a lower price to wholesale customers, or you may want to give a discount to customers who buy often. Or maybe you have one customer or one company that should always get a better price. It is better to know this first so you do not set up the wrong offer. Step 2. Go to your customers area. Next, go to the Customers section in Shopify. This is where you can see the people who have bought from your store or made an account. You can use this area to find the customers you want to give special pricing to. For example, you can search for a customer by name or email. You can also look at your customer list and decide which people should be part of the special pricing group. If you want to keep things simple, you can create a customer group based on something easy, like customers with a certain tag. A tag is just a label you add to a customer. For example, you can add a tag like wholesale, VIP, or special discount. This helps Shopify know which customers should get the offer. Step 3. Add a tag to the customer. Now, choose the customer that should get the special price or discount. Open that customer's profile. Look for the tag area, then add the tag you want to use. For example, if this customer is a wholesale buyer, you can add the tag wholesale. If the customer is a VIP buyer, you can add the tag VIP. Try to keep the tag simple and easy to remember. Do not use too many different names for the same thing. For example, do not use VIP, VIP customer, and special buyer if they all mean the same group. Just pick one name and use it every time. After you add the tag, save the customer profile. Now, Shopify has a way to know that this customer belongs to a special group. Next, create a discount. To create a discount, go to the Discounts section in Shopify. Click to create a new discount. Shopify will ask what type of discount you want to make. You can choose a percentage discount, like 10% off. You can choose a fixed discount, like $20 off, or you can create free shipping if that is the offer you want. For this example, let's say we want to create 10% off for VIP customers. Choose percentage discount, then enter 10%. Now, give your discount a simple name. For example, you can call it VIP 10. Keep the name easy because customers may need to type it at checkout if you are making a discount code. Now, look for the area where Shopify asks who can use the discount. Choose the option for specific customers or customer groups. Then select the group you made earlier. For example, choose VIP customers or wholesale customers. This means the discount will only work for those customers. If someone else tries to use the code and they are not in that group, the discount should not apply. This is how you make the discount customer-specific. So that is how you create customer-specific pricing and discounts on Shopify. The simple way is to tag your customers, create a customer group, make a discount, and choose that group as the only people who can use it. And if your store has special business pricing options, you can also set different prices for different business customers. Just remember to keep your groups clear, test the discount, and check your orders after it goes live. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.